This beautiful home has it all. Location, privacy, open floor plan, meticulous condition, and timeless architecture and workmanship. As you walk through the front door, you will realize that this home is special, with great windows, high ceilings, and tons of natural sunlight. From the foyer, you can see practically every room on the main floor with wonderful views of the outdoors. This lakefront home offers over 300 feet of waterfront and 16 feet of water depth from an elevated home site within a half-mile to the Publix. There is a wonderful fenced area in the rear, lush landscaping, hot tub area, and all sorts of room for expansion, both inside and out. Too many upgrades to mention, but a few are: reverse osmosis system, plantation shutters throughout home, retractable screes on the two main porches, upgraded KitchenAid appliances with sub-zero refrigerator, custom closets, and blown-in attic insulation. Move-in ready home with great detail, trim, flagstone patios, stacked stone fireplaces, extra wide 8-foot doorways, and a max dock with a 3-mile view. Enjoy your kitchen with upgraded cabinetry, large center aisle.